There are good journeys and great journeys. And then comes one that changes everything, rising above and beyond the ordinary, leading the way to the grand life.
Namaste. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the most awaited launch of 2021 Hyundai Alcazar. As you know, this year Hyundai Motor India complete 25 years in India, and to commemorate our silver jubilee, we begin by entering and redefining a new segment with our first product launch of 2021. Venue, Creta, Kona Electric, and Tucson. Our SUV family has won heart of customers by superseding their aspirations and led Hyundai to be the SUV brand of choice for Indians. And now, building on the success of our SUV leadership, Hyundai Alcazar is here to complete the lineup and take mobility experience to greater height, a symbol of exploration and togetherness. Let us now take a closer look at Hyundai Alcazar.
Hyundai Alcazar ushers a new dimension in driving sophistication. It's a symbol of premiumness and power. Styled for indulgence. Every detail in Hyundai Alcazar is carefully crafted to pamper the senses. Hyundai Alcazar is a premium and versatile SUV. Hyundai Alcazar brings to the fore lavish comfort and modern in-car experiences, creating a feeling of togetherness in every drive.
SUV market share in 2015. We have reached 26% SUV market share in 2020, which has propelled Hyundai to be India's #1 SUV maker.
The roads we take define the journeys we make. With the soul of an explorer, Hyundai Alcazar drives you to go further. The rugged splendor of Hyundai Alcazar brings the best of both worlds. Tough, resilient, and with unmatched style.
At Hyundai, we consistently aim to redefine benchmarks in the mobility space for a superior customer experience. We are now taking this vision forward with the launch of yet another masterpiece, Hyundai Alcazar. True to its name, the Alcazar exudes grandeur and opulence, matching customer lifestyle and aspiration. Born out of Hyundai's sensuous sporty design language, the Alcazar is charismatic and characterizes a bold and dynamic design. This well-balanced design of the Alcazar personifies absolute power and premiumness with a confident and imposing stance. While the trio beam LED headlamps portray premium and high-tech imagery, the flared wheel arches, sculpted character lines, and R18 diamond-cut alloys express agility with dynamism. Its seamless floating roof design, along with the large DLO area, offers a panoramic effect. The rear of the Alcazar completes the well-proportioned SUV design language and stands out with its distinctive design elements. The magic is in the Alcazar interiors. You will enter a world of premiumness built with superior craftsmanship. The dual-tone cognac brown interiors lend a modern and premium appeal to the cabin, while the wide panoramic sunroof makes a clear statement of grandeur. At Hyundai, we aim to offer new experiences with the innovative use of advanced technologies. And this comes alive with the virtual cockpit design, which offers an immersive user experience with the best-in-segment features such as 10.25 multi-display digital cluster. The best-in-the-segment wheelbase ensures superior packaging with 6 and 7-seater options for the comfort of all, making it spacious and welcoming. The driver's seat is designed to maximize interplay between human and technology. And the ergonomically designed captain seats offer an indulging, chauffeur-driven travel experience. The thoughtfully designed second-row premium console ensures class-apart convenience. The unique seatback table enhances user experience with added utility. And the auto-healthy air purifier with AQI display maintains a healthy cabin atmosphere. The second row one-touch tip and tumble seats offer easy entry and exit into the third row. Dedicated AC ensures exceptional cooling for the third row passengers, while the USB charger on both sides makes sure that you are always connected to your favorite gadgets. Furthermore, the versatile seating layout of Alcazar caters to varying storage needs, accommodating diverse lifestyle with ease. Meeting the connectivity needs of the new age customers, the Alcazar comes with Hyundai's advanced BlueLink connected car technology. Step inside the Alcazar and you are welcomed with a warm greeting.
Hi, enjoy a safe and pleasant drive and don't forget to wear seatbelt.
The technological excellence is further accentuated with over-the-air map updates and interactive voice-controlled wake-up command.
Hello BlueLink, I want to see the sky.
Opening the sunroof.
Hyundai Alcazar is not just about style, comfort and premiumness, but it has great performance too. The power-packed and advanced third generation 2.0 new petrol engine offers an exhilarating drive experience. The 1.5 U2 CRDI diesel engine offers a perfect balance of performance and segment-best fuel efficiency. More importantly, both the engines are offered with manual and automatic transmissions along with drive and traction control modes for a superior drive experience. At Hyundai, safety is of paramount importance and the Alcazar is no exception. The strong body shell comprises of 75.6% advanced and high-strength steel along with hot stamping parts and ring structures. Driver assist systems offer a bird's eye view, eliminating blind spots for stress-free maneuvers and ensure safer commute both in city and highways. Furthermore, on offer are a host of active and passive safety features that fortify the safety of Alcazar. Hyundai Alcazar is all set to deliver a premium travel experience, redefining benchmarks and bolstering Hyundai's dominance in the SUV space. I welcome you now to live the grand life with the Hyundai Alcazar.
The Prestige 2-liter petrol manual with 7-seater is being introduced at a very attractive price of Rs 16,30,300. The 6-seater AT version of this trim has been priced at Rs 17,93,300. The Platinum 7-seater MT has been priced at rupees 18,22,300 and the 6-seater AT at rupees 19,55,900. The signature 6-seater MT is being priced at rupees 18,70,900 and AT at rupees 19,84,900. Now coming to the diesel prices. Alcazar diesel has been aggressively priced at a nominal incremental amount ranging between rupees 15,000 and rupees 23,000 only over the petrol across different trims. The starting trim Prestige 7-seater MT is priced at rupees 16,53,300 and AT at rupees 18,01,300. The Platinum 7-seater MT at rupees 18,45,300 and 6-seater AT at rupees 19,78,900 and the signature 6-seater MT at rupees 18,93,900 and AT at rupees 19,99,900. For the information of everyone, the 6-seater trims of Alcazar come with additional features like second row center console armrest with storage, wireless charger and cup holders, and has been priced at a very nominal incremental price of just rupees 15,000 over this 7-seater. Friends, I'm sure this pricing of Alcazar would have excited you all, and together with the promise of lowest cost of maintenance, 5-year wonder warranty, 3-year roadside assistance, 3-year complimentary BlueLink subscription, along with widest range of 48 curated accessories, the Alcazar would take the customer experience to the next level. Thank you everyone for your time. Let us live the grand life.